Greetings everyone. Today, our group Cybersmith, that is me, Sanidhya and Khushi, are here before you presenting our project called RFID and keypad based Doorlock. So the idea behind the robot is to make a Arduino based door lock which can be used as an anti-theft device. The basic premise of this robot is to make a lock which will always remain locked unless it is unlocked by a specific tag, RFID tag, and then inputting the correct password for it. If the RFID scans another tag or object, it will send an intruder alert notification to owner's phone that an intruder has breached their security, and the same case when inputting wrong password. If the intruder manages to input correct password or tag, then also a notification is sent. The owner then can relock the door by just typing lock. Now the door won't open by method previously used and it would require alternative method. For example, if the door was unlocked by using password and the owner has locked the door by typing lock, it would require the intruder to unlock the door by the RFID tag. The door can also be unlocked by typing unlock by the owner's phone.
Now I will explain why we chose this robot. According to the graph from Statista, the theft rate in India has been on rapid increase and doesn't seem to get lower any soon. So maybe this small step could be the greater contribution toward the theft rate department. Secondly, it's really cheap and it's really simple to build. Of course, it's easy to operate. And now, here is the circuit diagram of our robot.
The uses of this robot can be explained as follows. This lock can either be installed on small places like cupboards, boxes, or either large doors. There are multiple ways to unlock, so if by chance you forgot your RFID tag, you can simply input your password on the keypad. It is cheaper than a safe, so it can be used as an alternate to a safe. This is a YouTube video comprising the working of a robot.
पूरा दिखाना
दिखा पूरा
मेरे ख्याल से पूरा दिखाना चाहिए
थोड़ा वर्किंग दिखा
छोटे से दिखा दिया आ गया कर दो
लॉक वाला तो दिखाया ही नहीं ना। अबे कितना टाइम लग गया बस